microphone from the iPhone is that good. So this is what it's like without the light.
Hello guys! We will gonna unbox and open and review my vlogger set. Because my husband really loves me and he bought me the vlogger set. So let's open it. Whoa. MOVO Phone Video Kit. Whoa! Whee! So this is a hard case. That's good. And it's including... That's how it looks like! Whoa! And right now we're gonna unbox this. So guys, as you can see, the case is very good. It's very hard. So we'll open. Ta-da! Whoa! So we have here the MOVO wipe to wipe the technology. We have the happy MOVO saying you need to download the apps in Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And where am I gonna go? Start.
So much stuff.
Whoa, there's a lot. Oh, and this is the microphone. Next is, ooh, look at that, Daddy. This is the microphone head, like that. So it's not, if it's windy, it will take out the wind sound. The grrr. Next is, woo! It's the light. So it will gonna, you know, if it's dark, it will give me lights here. Next is, woo, Daddy, look at the handle. Ooh, hello world, hello Philippines, I'm a vlogger. Ooh, and this is the, oh, you can like put right here, Daddy, like that.
Just
so it
to hold the light,
to hold the
and
lights
the
and the microphone. And oh, this is the handle. It's right there. You put your microphone towards you, like that, and you're like, hello guys, we're here live in Los Angeles, California. And you have here the microphone earphone.
Whoa.
And you have here the MOVO shutter. Ooh, look at that, Daddy. So that means you can take pictures
when you're far.
When you're far, you don't need to like do a timer. You can just like check, check, check. And you have the curly fries.
All right, guys, let's install the phone video kit one from MOVO. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna concentrate on the smartphone grip handles here and the strap. Okay, so what I do, I probably put this right on top of that and then screw this inside the hole, like so. All right, so don't tighten it too much. So you want to go ahead and twist this around to see how you want it. And again, you don't have to use it, but you know, it's smart so you won't drop it. Go ahead and put your whole hand in there and adjust it like that. And just to mention, this can actually hook up to a tripod. So a tripod like this, for example. So then, there you go. This kit does not come with a tripod. I just bought this online through Amazon. Okay, so then after that, you want to take this little part right here. The gold side is on the bottom, like this. See? And then you just tighten it. So go to the left to tighten it. There, it's snug. All right, and this part is loose. So then you take this part. I like to have the MOVO facing you. So you see 2 slots there. Put the bottom like this. See that? And put it centered as much as possible. So I'll probably go right there. And tighten it going to the right. All right, there you go. So far you should have it like this. All right, next we're gonna look at the VXR10 microphone. So here it is. Okay, so earlier you saw my wife snapping this right here. I can take it apart real quick. See that? It just snaps right in the center right there. Like that. First loosen this part right here. Okay, once that's loosened, now focus on the top and you can put it on top like this. Okay, you can put it dead center in the middle, but for this video I'm going to put it like around to the side. All right. There you go. So now, we did call this a dead cat. We'll test it out on a fan later, but you would put it right here. There, so it would look like that. So the kit comes with 2 types of cables here. You only have to use one of them. All right, so this is a 3.5 millimeter TRS connector for cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, and other audio video recording devices. Okay, so if you're using a cell phone, you do not use this. This one is for the cell phone. So this is a 3.5 millimeter TRRS connector for smartphone, tablet, or Mac. And it's pretty convenient because look, it shows where to plug in your smartphone and which end goes into the microphone. So pretty convenient. So I'm going to use this because I use smartphone a lot to record my stuff. So I'm going to put microphone into here. Smartphone goes to your smartphone. So I'm going to plug in my smartphone here. So this is my iPhone X. Oh yeah, I should show you this. Unlock, as you can see, it shows you too. Unlock, lock. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this to unlock. I'm locking it right now. So as you can see, it is tight. This dude is not going anywhere. I'm shaking it. Look at that. And the reason why I put this to the side is because I want to put the light on too. So you pretty much do the same thing. You loosen this screw, you put it right there, and you can tighten it. And I already charged this thing, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this thing has a on-off button to slide, like it. Okay, and this is where you would charge it. On the other side, here, I'll loosen this real quick, show you. So low, medium, and high. Look at that, that's low. Here's medium, and here's high. So yeah, it's pretty good, pretty bright. I like it. All right, so I'll turn this off now. All right, and the last thing that comes with it is this thing. This is the remote shutter. So let's try to hook this up. I have my iPhone here, so go to Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled like that. Let's turn this on. All right, so make sure this thing is on. There it is. So that light lights up. All right, so it's gonna look like that. The Strim BTN10. Click that. So I think it's paired. Yep. So say Strim BTN10 connected. Go ahead and test it out. Go and go to the camera here. Go backwards. There's me right there. Peace. So check it out. Boom. Just took a picture. See? Little preview. That's an ugly picture, but hey, it shows you that it works. It also works with, I think it should work in video. So look here. See? As you can see, it's recording, and you can stop recording. There you go. And last but not least, it just comes with a. How convenient. And it comes with a cloth to clean stuff. Oh yeah, one thing to mention. So the absolute last thing you have to do if you have an iPhone is you need this. You need a lightning to headphone jack adapter. So then you just plug in, remember this part? To here. And you plug it into the phone like so. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so right now the MOVO microphone is connected, and this is what the audio sounds like. Okay, now I just took off the microphone, so here it is. It's not working right now. This is what the audio sounds like without the MOVO microphone. All right, guys, now we're going to test on how the Furry Shield works with wind by using a fan. We're going to start with the left side of the microphone and then proceed with the other angles. Here's my fan. Got my ruler here. So I'll be about around 2 feet away from the fan when I'm doing this test. And I'm gonna put this on speed number 3 at maximum. All right, so the fan's off right now. This is the left side right here, and I'm speaking into it. The audio that you're hearing is coming from the mic right now. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna turn it on to maximum speed. All right, away from the fan first. There we go, 2 feet away, guys. All right, I'm speaking My name is Omar. I am speaking. Hopefully this audio is still good. Alright, it's away from the fan right now. And I'm going in. Let's see. Hoping you're still clear. Hoping you're still clear. I'm still talking to it. And here we go. Now I'm going to take out the microphone now. Okay, so the microphone is off, as you can see, and I'm gonna do a test with the same distance, maximum speed. There's maximum speed. All right, here we go. Off camera, here we go. 1, 2, ready, here we go. All right, I'm speaking. My name is Omar Lawrence, Palaganas Edgerlin. I'm doing a test with a fan. Now it's out of the way. Here we go, I'm gonna bring it back in. You're hearing the audio from here. Hopefully it's clear. We'll see which is better, without it or with. Okay. All right, guys, so now we're gonna test the right side of the microphone using the same technique. The fan's there. All right, I am now speaking. It's hitting the fan right now. And hopefully the audio's good. I'm not sure. Now it's off the fan. Okay, now I'm gonna bring it back in. Do you guys like the audio so far? Is it good? Is it good? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, I took this off. So you're hearing audio from here still. All right, here we go. So this is, now the microphone from the iPhone is actually hitting the fan. So we'll see. Hopefully it's still good audio. I'm not sure. This is pretty strong wind though. Okay, it's still going. Here we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right. Cool. Now we're going to test the mic facing away from the wind. Okay, here we go. All right, can you guys hear me? How's the audio? The wind is now facing behind the mic. I'm hoping it's cool. We'll see what happens though. Okay, I'll put it away from the mic now. Cool, awesome. All right, so this recording is without the microphone. Wind behind mic. All right. Here we go. All right, this is just a regular phone microphone. Here we go. And it's now hitting. So you compare the sound. Which sound is better? You tell me. Tell me in the comment section. And to be fair, I'm like a feet away from the fan. Here, this is 2 feet. This is about 2 feet away right here. I forgot about distance. Sorry about that. Okay. Cool. All right, guys, now we're going to test microphone facing the fan. Audio still coming from here. Let's see what happens. This is off the fan, and here is with the fan, 2 feet away. All right, guys, here we go. I am speaking directly to the mic with the fan. How's the audio? Is it good? Is it cool? Can you even understand me? Hope so. All right, here we go. Off fan. Now let's test out the LED video light and see how well it works in a dark room. Okay, I'm going to turn on the LED light right now. So this is on low. I'm gonna turn off the switch right now. All right, so I'm completely running just on the low LED version right now. Okay, so here's the medium. All right. Pretty good, I could see. All right, and this is the highest. That's the highest right there. Where's my dog? It's 4th of July right now. My dog's pretty scared of the fireworks. So yeah, you can see my dog. See pretty much the whole room, our messy room. Look at that. I won't show too much. Baby's name, Braxton. So it's pretty darn bright. I think it's good. So this is what it's like without the light. Completely dark. You can still hear me. That's the light. That's the highest version right now. So, is this item right for you? Yes or no? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. And if you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets me know these reviews are helping you. Until then, I'll see you at the next item.